So a recap of what I'm doing. I'm taking off the back tire on my 1994 ST1100. So there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can lift the bike with a bike stand and the tire will drop, or you can do what I did. I removed the back fend mud guard, so I have the clearance so the tire can slide out. I already took the axle out, and you see that pin back there that holds the caliper. You don't have to take it all the way out, just unscrew it, and then you can just push it all the way back. It'll hit the exhaust, but that's what it'll stay, because now the caliper will come right off and the tire ready to come off. All right, the axle is out, the tire is ready to come out. I need to take the caliper bracket out. The caliper don't even have to come off, and watch the spacer, but I gotta open the pads a little bit so they can flex out. All right, so I come back from the dealer. I got the tire fixed. I took the opportunity and stopped at Walmart and got me an extension right there, so I can tie the axle nut, because it was actually pretty loose when I took it off. So continue on now with the installation. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention, this is the spacer that goes inside the tire. If you don't take it off when you remove the tire and you lose it, you're in for a big headache. I almost lost mine. I forgot to take it off, and when I was loading the tire in my car, I remember it and I went and took it out, because it actually had grease in it, so it stuck to it. But you need to take this spacer out, okay? All right, there she is, all ready for tomorrow. It's gonna be a nice day. I'm gonna be riding it tomorrow for sure. Got a notification that my microphone adapter for this Hero 6 has shipped. Should be here Thursday. Order a cover for it. The fuel filter should be here tomorrow or Monday, so I can do the gas tank. And ready for the summer adventures ahead.